What's that saying? Forgot the belt pressure.
What you had, like 60?
All up in here.
I'm like 22, 3, I think. Let's see what.
I just found out.
Oh,
I'm not even going to touch mine as long as I know what's some out.
Oh, the pressure? Yeah. I think I'm like 25.
Sounds like a brand new bike out of Blunt had him.
but like, wait, 1,000 feet up. Dude, you have some serious control, man. We didn't find him.
Oh, damn. Paramount came out and climbed up to here.
No, we came back. I was like, I don't see them. I see tracks. But
I saw your tracks on Paramount.
Okay, so, well, what we did was we came back. We were like, well, maybe, I thought you guys went high.
Stay together.
All right, so yeah, so for the rest of the day, no more intersections.
I'm gonna follow all you
without
morons.
Because you guys were.
Every fucking intersection we bike.
Yeah, like.
Stopped and you didn't know where we
Here
went.
comes Tommy. So Tommy was our vanguard. He was looping the other direction to catch you.
I figured you guys would have gone high to come up here anyways. And he thought,
Well, we didn't want to start climbing because we thought you'd make your way to the turkey management.
And then I was like,
I don't know my way around.
What would you catch from continuing along the creek to get up here, though?
I crashed already.
Send it, Gunner, send it. Nice.
Oh, I want this one.
ah, what are you doing? I'm going.
Is that the new line?
Yeah, that works.
You got it, Bergie.
Self-preservation. Dude, I just got my neck brace off. I think I'm entitled to a little,
Woo!
Oh, come on, Harlan.
Oh, that wheel was 2 inches too long.
Oh, this is too big now. Before they're too strong. You need 650D now.
Nice.
Over the rock.
Nice.
Oh, you want to go up and over that?
Yeah. My eyes are like moving to the wrong part of the trail.
Jeff, I think it's your fault. He nosed up. He nosed up. You're up, Gunner.
It's not that steep, go, Gunner.
Yeah, Gunner. I'll take a picture of you doing it.
That's a nice new bike you got there.
You get to roll it easy.
Yeah.